So the process to add payment method on Temu app is quite easy and simple. So once you are logged into your app, so here we are. And once you are here, you need to go and tap on this person icon in the bottom middle. So tap on this person icon. It would open up your profile. And once that is open, you need to go and tap on the settings gear at the right top corner and on the side of this mic icon. So you have this round icon settings, tap on that and settings will open. Once they are open, you on the top you can see your payment methods. Tap on this one. And here you have an option of multiple things. So first you need to tap on add a credit or debit card. And the other ways that you have is the PayPal. So it's totally up to you. It could also depend what payment methods are available in your country. So if I go and tap on edit or add a card, so you can simply add a card, enter the number, expiry, CVC, and tap on add card, and your card and payment method will be added to Temu. So hope this video has helped you. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.